So the people, the government say 15 years for water gun and tie gun. How you feel about that?
Well, to me, to as the youth them nowadays,
Yeah.
you know, when they reach certain age, them mama deal with gun business. And we live in a one country now that's you come in like I say, well, and with that Texas where you have fastest gun alive and what have you. So I not believe in that. So well then from further on they should disband that for a long time the water gun and whatever concern the gun business apart from the real gun. For when a man was supposed to carry a gun, I must have a soldier or a police or a license firearm. So me against it. You understand? Me no love that. Me no love the idea with the tie gun business them for a longer time. It only update up the youth them feel further on. You understand?
But you don't feel like so though. Remember you know fire real shot water come out of it. So you don't feel like them are overdo it.
Yeah, me agree say water come out of it. But what me I say, it just give the youth them the intention to fire the gun for sure you have a trigger when the dry and the water come from the gun.
But as a man like a me and you do, you know them thing that they about from in a fluid time.
Yeah.
And it never really said you feel like it did influence you if you feel like you want on gunman.
Yeah, no. No, why me say that? It lead up to now, the youth them now at days. Everything you them a talk about gun. And the gun, then business now. Why me no know- what me have to say? Me no love. Me no like that for shouldn't this ban them for a long time. For youth have access to a gun. Whether water gun, tie gun or whatever. If I give them the mind to grow up to be a gunman. You understand me? Me don't know about nobody feeling, but that is my thought and my feelings, Me don't get me wrong, I'm right. For a gun belongs to an army man, a police, and gun belong responsible gun to a man or license firearm. So it just encourage the youth them. You understand?
Much respect.